Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, dear members of DVNO. It's 1st of July 2016 and the new terms of Toastmasters have just started. So at first I would like to thank you all for putting all your trust on me for the last year and for giving me an opportunity to learn new things and making sure that I could give my full efforts to bring DVNO further up. Just to sum it up how the year went, we have got 90 educational awards this year, which includes 29 competent communicators, 22 competent leaders, 12 advanced communicators bronze, 3 advanced communicator silvers, 4 advanced communicator gold, 4 leadership excellence awards, 1 distinguished Toastmaster, 13 advanced leader bronze, 2 advanced leader silver. Currently, on the TMI rosters, we have 379 members, which includes 123 new members and 60 charter members, which means that 48% of the membership have been increased in this year. We started our term with 13 base club. As we all know that DVNO comprises of cocktail clubs. We have got the corporate clubs, community clubs, then Sri Lankan club, a family club, an Arabic club for the ladies, and English speaking ladies club, and there are all type of different clubs, including 5 GABA clubs. Currently, DVNO finishes its term with 16 active clubs and there is no club loss. At the same time, 6 of the clubs they have achieved the present distinguished club, 3 of them select distinguished, and 2 of them are distinguished club, which means that 11 of the clubs or 11 of the 16 active clubs have achieved distinguished clubs and more. Area 9 has started 2 clubs, whereas Area 45 it has started 1 club. Area 45 ranked as a present distinguished area, whereas the Area 52 ranks as a select distinguished area. At the same time, I'd like to commend Toastmaster Abul Hassan, Area 9 Director, Toastmaster Adala, the Area 45 Director, and Toastmaster Ziana Azhar, the Area 52 Director, for making sure that the areas they perform brilliantly. Because of them and the members, we were able to get 100% club officers training, 100% of the club officers they attend the club training for both the rounds. At the same time, I'd like to thank my team which supported me: Toastmaster Madhusha, Toastmaster Sayyid Noor, Toastmaster Farah, Toastmaster Hassan Jabri, and a lot of more. The conference chairman, Toastmaster Sadia Irfan, Toastmaster Irfan Iqbal, and the advisors, Toastmaster Azhar Farooq, Distinguished Toastmaster Malik Farooq, and many others who were hidden throughout the term. I personally believe the DVNO has made it through a present distinguished DVN just because of the members. The members, they have built a solid platform for the leaders to know where they are, how they can go further, and what there are still more things to achieve forward. Also, as the Toastmasters theme says, that the where leaders are made, I'm proud to say that Toastmaster Sayyid Noor, who is also the new area directors, Area 9 Director Toastmaster Sayyid Noor, who was the administrative manager for DVNO, Toastmaster Furat, who is now the Area 45 director elect, or shall I say the director. She was the finance manager, and Toastmaster Madhusha Nanayakar, Area 52 director elect, or the current Area 52 director. He was the assistant DVNO director, or shall I say the program co-director. At the same time, wishing Toastmaster Dr. Adala all the best for her tenure for DVNQ director, and also distinguished Toastmaster Irfan Iqbal for DVNO as a DVNO director. At the end of it, I'd like to thank you all for once again believing in me and making sure that we have a brilliant Toastmaster year. Thank you all for always let yourself switch on, for always being switched on, and just because of you, I was able to, or we were able to make this DVNO proud. As we are waiting for the official confirmation, I believe by 15th of July we'll be having the rankings. As of now, DVNO stands one of the top 5 DVNs in Saudi Arabia, and still there is one more club which we are waiting for the dues renewals to be updated officially. So once we get the final, we're gonna let you know all about the current update. So thank you all once again, and looking forward to see you all. I was planning to visit your club and thank you all personally, but because of the timing and the Ramadan, I wasn't able to do so. So it's just a small attempt of gratitude to say you all, thank you all, and may Allah Azza wa Jal bless us all. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.